All right, guys, guess where we're at. You're gonna be surprised.
Gonna be surprised.
Buc-ee's.
I don't think they're surprised. We've been to Buc-ee's enough. But listen, guys. So I got a little surprise for you today. We have driven probably an extra 100 miles around Houston because we wanted to go to Buc-ee's. And we were looking for something in particular. We spotted this item when we were in Alabama a week ago.
Mississippi. That's when you got it.
So we stopped at a few Buc-ee's, Alabama and Mississippi. But in Mississippi is where we found the mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Buc-ee's, if you did not know, has this amazing mac and cheese, and I'm kind of giving it away. I'm giving a full review at the end of this video. I'll attach it. It'll be a short, and I'll upload it to YouTube so you guys can see exactly what's going on. But this is crazy. Like, this was some delicious mac and cheese. So we've been driving all around Houston. Where were we at earlier?
I don't have any idea.
We stopped at a Buc-ee's 27 minutes away from here, south side of Houston, a small Buc-ee's. So you'll find this mac and cheese at the larger Buc-ee's. If you go looking for it, make sure you go to the larger Buc-ee's. We left there and we came to Katy. So we're at the big Buc-ee's in Katy, and we're gonna go in here and see if they have this doggone mac and cheese, and probably just sit here in the car and eat before we head back home, because we might make a couple more stops, who knows. But it's blustery, crazy weather. Look out here. This is what the weather looks like in Houston right now at Katy. But anyway, guys, enough. Is that enough talking? Let's go see if we can find this mac and cheese. I hope they have this mac and cheese in this store, guys. And I'm sure she'll want to pick up something else too, right? A beaver tail. It's not a beaver tail. It's not a beaver tail. It's a paddle tail. The name has changed. So here we go. Full blown. It's not leaving. He tried to get it out. Hell, the bird wants some Buc-ee's too. I think I see it. I think I see it over here. Alright guys, we found it. I found the mac and cheese. Oh, how much is it here? Because it was $5. So the price is not listed here. I knew it. So it's almost $3 more. It's exactly $3 more here in Texas than it was in Alabama or Mississippi. It was $5, but I still believe it's worth more than $5. So obviously, cost of living difference and all of that, they're charging more for it here in Texas. It'll still be good, even though it costs more money. We're gonna go out to the car. We're gonna get checked out and then go out to the car, and I'll share our review with you at the end of this video. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. Peace. Come try this. I think it's fantastic. Tell us what you think. That sucker hitting, ain't it? Ooh,
Oh
Buc-ee's.
my goodness.
If y'all don't put this in the Texas stores, we're going to have a problem in Houston. This is fire. If you get to try the Buc-ee's brisket mac and cheese, do yourself a favor, grab some. Peace.